Okay, buddy. You did it for like two or 3 minutes before this too.
Like straight.
Yeah, it was a lot worse than right now too.
Like you hear him all the way upstairs.
You okay, buddy?
It's recording, right?
It's okay, buddy. It's okay, breathe.
I don't want to do an X-ray.
This is like the worst he's ever done it.
I think that's funny.